Go on, son. Look at the speed on the lad here now. Look at him go. Quality bit of workmanship, and look at that. Delivered straight to the spot. Yes, everyone, hope you're good. Got a great video to you today. I'm sure there's many people that have been in this position that I was in today, have been in a trade, watching your trade get stopped out with a wick to then watch it go hit take profit, or should have hit take profit. It's just one of them things, and to be honest, it was still a great trade and there was nothing wrong with it. It was just one of them things. I'm sorry there's not as much enthusiasm as well. I've just had a bit of just a bit of stuff going on with family and my grandma in hospital and stuff. So yeah, so anyway, I wanted to get this video out for you because I know for a fact that there's people out there that have been in this position. So I'll take you through the trade. We'll go through it step by step. And I was watching this trade for a while. I was on the charts from 5:30 this morning looking for setups. Oh, excuse me. And I didn't see anything I wanted to take. I'll just go back in time now, I'll just show you. So, excuse these lines. Maybe I'll show you on this one. So, let me just get rid of these for you here, dead quick. So, this is where I come to the charts this morning. I could see a couple of bearish candles. I didn't want to take any of these trades. The market was heavily weighted to the upside. Same thing as the last 2 days. I didn't really want to be taking sells. I was only looking for the buys. So I waited for the 10 o'clock till 2 p.m. candle close on the 4H. And what I seen basically was this 4H candle break and close above structure. So this was first indication that I was looking for buys, of course, because the buys were in the market. The bulls were there. The 5-minute structure looked good. The DXY was looking good for sells as well. So, of course, they're correlating. If DXY goes down, GU should go up. So I marked off my level. I should say my candle. Oh, one more candle, sorry. So this is the candle close here. Is that right? Oh no, it's this one here. Yeah, excuse me. So that's your candle close, and this is the body close. And of course, as always, I was just waiting for that wick low. And the area that I was looking for price to pull into was this area here, because it's just an area of support. This is the previous high, so price could pull into this, we get a rejection, and then continue for that high. I didn't want to see price pull all the way down here, because then I've just lost the range and it had just been too big. Maybe ultimately, if I had have put my stop loss behind this level, I would have won the trade today. But it doesn't always work like that, and it's just one of them things, today's trade. So we'll move on, but I'll show you the trade. So I've seen price pulling back to create the wick on the 4H. Pull back a bit deeper. I seen this at this point. I placed the buy stop here. Stop loss below this level, anticipating this is the wick body low, just like yesterday. I discussed this with Walter. He also got in this trade. Of course, we both lost, but overall it was a great trade. Walter was just struggling with his the mental side of trading, but it's good. He'll improve on it. I struggle sometimes, but I've just been ingraining it into my mind that you can't let any loss affect the way that you think or trade at all. So I'll show you this now. So we get triggered in with momentum. So that was the buy stop entry, and things were looking fairly promising. Price pushed up, a little bit of drawdown for a bit. Pushed back into this area of support. I wasn't worried. I'll show you now. So pushed back into it, but the buys were coming back in. You can see that clearly. And then what happened? So basically, we got wicked out on that. Price pushed all the way up, and then we would have hit take profit, and then price would have pushed all the way back down. What news was this? I couldn't see non-farm payroll. You see, I didn't realise that was on there. I've only just noticed that on there now. This wasn't on the FTMO calendar. I wasn't aware of that. That would explain things. I'm sure on investing.com as well that wasn't there. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. This was the trade. In the end, it would have actually played out exactly how we anticipated to get that bullish continuation. So I'll just show you. So you can see we've got that bullish break. We pulled back in serious, but we've got this bullish continuation. The trade planned out as expected, just happened to get wicked out. It's not a bad thing. People will see this as a loss, or, well, that was a bad trade. It wasn't. It was a good trade. If that wick didn't happen, it would have been a great trade because it worked out exactly as anticipated. So we come back tomorrow and we go again and we do the same thing every single day. And that's just the way it goes. You can't let one loss affect you like that. So this week, what have I had? Is this going to load? Let me see. So this week we've had, let me see, we had a loss, a win and a loss. Not a problem. If we win tomorrow, which would be great, well, you still 2R up for the week. Still 2% up for the week. And if you lose, well, it's alright. We come back. Every loss you come back stronger. Don't let these things affect you. Anyway, so that was today's trade. I'm pretty pleased with it. Of course, it would have been better to get the win. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to cry about it. It's just one of them things. And this is what you should do. So you can see on the DXY now, we're actually pushing down into this key area of support. So I'll be interested to see, because on the DXY we're pushing into a key area of support, and on the GU, on the daily time frame, just ignore all that mess. Let me go into this one. There'll still be a bit of mess. This is just back testing and live trades from last year. These are the trades that I took last year where I passed funded accounts. So you can see here now we're pushing into this key area of resistance on GU, so I will be looking to see what happens coming into tomorrow for the rest of the week, so on. You never know, could get a big rejection from here. I'm just going to see what happens in the morning. So take care everyone, hope you had a good rest of the trading week. Sorry there's not much enthusiasm, yeah, it's just still a bit at the minute, but it's alright. And yeah, I'll be back tomorrow with another video for you all. Take care, I'll see you tomorrow.